Hey guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel and you're watching me, Tanuja. And for today's video, we are doing a Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I'd like to tell you guys that me and my bank account, we're not together anymore. Yeah, like we've officially broken up and that was it. Like this was the last chance that I was given and I ruined our relationship. Okay, so we are doing a Nykaa Pink Friday haul today and basically I got I think a lot of stuff. So in case you guys are interested in watching what all I got for my Nykaa Pink Friday sale, then please continue watching this video and without any further ado, let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay, so given the mess that I have in my life, I badly and desperately needed a setting spray in my life. So I got the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. So here I have a 100 ml bottle and honestly I really like it. I've used this product to set my face today and I'm not mad on it. My face is matte but it still looks hydrated. And the best part about this setting spray is that it doesn't smell like all of the other setting sprays. Like I've tried other ones as well and they almost smell like a chemical or some sort of thing, but this one, it has like a fainty and sort of a decent smell and I personally really like this one. Moving on to the second item, and I think that I was really excited to get this one. So I have the K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter. This highlighter is enriched with avocado plus mango butter and this is the outer packaging and this is how the inner highlighter looks. Now the packaging is, it's like a rose gold thing. It has this monogram all over it and the highlighter, you guys, it is so freaking pretty. This is in the shade Sunlit Gold. This is the highlighter which I'm actually wearing today. So really like this one. बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब it's a buttery formula and बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब मुझे इसकी अच्छी फिनिश लगती है and that is the swatch of it. You guys can see it's literally blinding. It's a nice, sort of a champagne pop color. It's not very gold. I think this is a value for money and also the packaging. It's like very sort of a sleek packaging. It's not bulky at all and even the outer packaging is great. Another product that I got is the Blue Heaven By Face Makeup Remover. This is the micellar cleansing water which is paraben free and contains goodness of argan oil. So now this is a 125 ml bottle. So I will say that this one comes very close to the Garnier's pink micellar water and it is so cheap. So I think if you're someone who wears makeup on a regular basis, you wear like very light makeup, then I think this is gonna work. This doesn't remove your waterproof makeup and like your very liquid matte lipsticks, वो उससे थोड़ा सा नहीं उतरती हैं. You have to like little bit rub them up. And this is also great if you're like into double cleansing or something because you can just remove your makeup and whatever is left over you can get it done with the second cleanser. So with regards to that, I don't regret buying this one. Another product that I wanted to try since a really long period of time is the Faces Canada Magnetic Magnet Eyes Dramatic Voluminizing Mascara. Of course, I'm wearing this mascara today and I will say that for the price you're getting a good mascara. This one comes very close to the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, the one that is in black and sort of a pinkish packaging. So uske काफी close आ जाता है and I really like the red striking color of the packaging. The wand of it, it's a sort of a unique wand. मतलब it is thinner towards the outer side and thicker towards the inner side. So when you like hold your wand like this, so आप अंदर वाली side को अच्छे से लगा सकते हो because ये अंदर वाली side को पतला है. And overall I'd say it's a good mascara. It dries down pretty quickly and it's not waterproof, but with this one I don't see like clumping is a major issue. It's a good mascara for the price you pay. Moving ahead, I got two concealers. The first one is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the shade C8. Now again, being a makeup lover, you guys would know that these concealers were really or are really hyped up in the beauty community and probably everyone has it. So I really wanted to try these one, so I got one for myself. So I used this concealer today and contrary to the hype around it, I was a little bit underwhelmed by the results. I mean it's a good concealer, it's good, it's thick, but I just think that it's a very normal concealer. Like I don't see anything too revolutionary or too amazing or something that is like, oh my god, I'm just blown away by the finish of it. Like, it's pretty fine, pretty normal, works like any other concealer. So I don't know what to say about it. I think I need more time to give my reviews on it, but for the time being I think it's an okay concealer. Next up, I got the infamous LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer. This is the concealer that I got, and this is in the shade Pure Beige. So the previous shade that I had in this concealer was nude, and that was like a pretty orange concealer. Like, it had like major peach and orange undertones, so that was great for like color correcting and stuff like that. But as a proper concealer, I really wanted to have this shade in my vanity, because I think this concealer is a great concealer for the price you pay, for the finish you get, for the longevity, for the coverage, for the comfort of this product. I think I really wanted to give it a try in my shade, and this shade perfectly matches mine. And I think like this concealer has never ever disappointed me. Yeah, if you're looking for a good concealer, I think you should try this one definitely. Okay, so next up I got this Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Makeup Revolution palette reloaded in the shade Velvet Rose, and let me just take a moment to really, just look at the color story. It's delicious, it's beautiful, it's bomb.com. I have like 5 palettes at this point of time, and I think 3 of them are from Makeup Revolution, so that says a lot about how much I enjoy using these palettes in general. Let me just swatch a few mattes for you. So the shades are very buttery. They are just so good. Like, first of all, this is how they look on my finger, and I'm gonna just swatch them right here for you guys. So can you guys see? This is the pigmentation that I'm talking about, and these just blend so nicely. So let me just swatch some of the glitter shades for you all. So I'm pretty excited for the glitter shades, because honestly they perform so good. So these are the 3 glitters from this palette, and let's just put them to test and look at them. The middle shade, it was like a sort of a foil shade, so that's why it's a little, lighter. But just look at the shades, man. This is like, just मैंने 1 2 3 ऐसे करा है, and the pigmentation you get, it's pretty, it's amazing. Like, these are the easiest shadows that I've ever worked with. Like, they're so buttery, so nice, and even like the darker colors, they blend so beautifully that I'm like blown away by this sort of pigmentation and this sort of goodness of this palette, that too at such a cheap pricing. I definitely say that the price is cheap, because the quality that you're getting is bang on. So next up, I also got 2 products from what is the name of the website, purple.com. So I thought I'd just include in this haul only. First up, I have this Good Vibes Pomegranate Antioxidant Foaming Face Wash. This has no parabens, no sulfates, and no mineral oil. You get a 150 ml bottle, and it's pretty nice. It smells pretty great. इनका एक toner आता है, pomegranate toner, and I've used that, and this one smells pretty close and pretty like very similar to that one. It's a good face wash. It gets off my makeup as well, so that is something great. I love this one. It doesn't makes my skin feel very dry. You need your moisturization after washing your face, but instantly एक जो वो dry effect होता है वो इससे नहीं आता है. And anyways, I've always been a fan of Good Vibes products, so liked it. I got another Good Vibes product, which is their Lavender Soothing Body Lotion. So if you guys have seen my purple haul, usme I got the tea tree version of this one, and this time for my sheer love for lavender in general, I got the lavender ये जो इनका body lotion है, and it's pretty nice. एक तो it smells very soothing. Lavender की obviously the fragrance is great, and it's just a very nice body lotion. So if you want to save your skin in winters and you don't want your skin to be dry and flaky, then I think you must check out the Good Vibes body lotion. Okay, we are towards the end of this haul, and I'm super duper excited for both of these products. So first up, I have the Smashbox X Shobita Dhuli Pale Always On Mini Matte Duo. This Mini Matte Duo comes with 2 lipsticks in it, which is Gulabe and the shade Boss. So Gulabe is actually what I'm wearing today, and this is the shade Boss. I'm going to quickly swatch these ones for you guys. this is Boss and this is Gulabe, and please adjust with my terrible swatching skills. So these are the two shades, and I think this kit is literally worth your money. And if I talk about the formula of these lipsticks, obviously it's a liquid lipstick, so it's gonna be a little bit drying, and I do feel that these lipsticks do settle a lot in like your gaps, and you know अगर आपके lips में थोड़ा सा gap है या थोड़ा texture है तो ये थोड़ा वहाँ पे बहुत जल्दी मतलब settle हो जाएंगी. Other than that, these feel super comfortable to wear. बहुत ज़्यादा इनका एक you know it's like a creamy formula. It's not very like thin consistency. बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाएगा. इसकी longevity काफ़ी अच्छी है. Like they last for a good period of time. In itself, I feel very comfortable after wearing them. But I would highly recommend you guys to moisturize your lips, or probably exfoliate, moisturize, whatever you like to do your lips before applying these lipsticks. But this is not the last lipstick duo I got. You guys know what I got. So I got this Smashbox X Malvika Always On Mini Matte Duo, and I was super excited for this one. Like iske liye main zyada excited thi. So this comes with two shades. One is the driver's seat and the other one is this Babe Alert. These are the two lipsticks that I got. Again, I'm gonna be fatafat se swatching these lipsticks for you guys. So okay, so this is Babe Alert and this is Driver's Seat. So Driver's Seat in itself, it's like a burnt orange with major peach undertones, and Babe Alert, it's straight up like a nice sort of a pinkish color. Again, the formula and everything is same. The mini matte ka sabka formula same hi hota hai. And along with the 4 lipsticks, I also got few free samples from Smashbox. So the first sample that I got is this Smashbox Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer with Vitamin C. This is a 7 ml का sample, and man, अगर मुझे इन सारी चीज़ों में से कोई चीज़ I think लिपस्टिक्स से भी ज़्यादा पसंद आई है, so is this primer. These are so freaking good. I mean, I don't know क्या बनाते हैं, कैसे बनाते हैं, कैसे बनाया मतलब इन्होंने, but this one is so good. Next up, I got this Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. ये इनका सैम्पल पैक है, एंड ये थिंक मैं एक ही बार यूज़ कर पाऊंगी. सो अभी तक मैंने इसको खोला नहीं है. आई एम गोना प्रॉबेबली बी यूजिंग दिस वन इन एनी ऑफ माई यूट्यूब वीडियोज इटसेल्फ, सो तुम देख लेना उसके अंदर. Okay, last up I got another Smashbox lipstick free, and this is their mini matte. Again, यही वही वाला formula है, always on liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Audacity if I'm not wrong. And I'm gonna be just swatching this right here. So this is how the shade looks. It's a very light dusty rose. I'm sure if I wear this shade on my own, it's gonna wash out my face. मेरे मुंह पे बहुत ज़्यादा light लगेगा, but you can definitely use this shade as a topper shade, like just to highlight your beach वाले lips and ऊपर cupids bow, उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेगा ये shade. Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. That's all my shopping that I did. Apart from all of these products, I did got some more products for my best friend Monica. Her birthday is coming, so वो gifts opening video में आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया. It's gonna either come on my channel or on her channel. We haven't decided yet कि gifts की video कौन करेगा. But I got quite a lot of stuff for her as well, so watch out for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification so that you never miss a video whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, ta ta, and namaste.